I have my sister and my brother.
Volunteers.
They'll be my volunteers.
But there's no one on the building yet.
Carry you over the What's that?
You just automatically knew, huh?
Yeah, I thought it was So I had a brief career at the fire department. Different career path after that 2.5 years. I was going to show 2 basic techniques to extinguishing a fire. A lot of times when you get to a house fire, it's just what we call room of contents. So one room's on fire, and maybe a bed and some couches. So there's not that much to do. So we go in with a smaller stream. We just simply put out the fire. Sometimes the houses are going a little bit more.